Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix this please check your password and account name and try again error on your Steam. So the common reason why you have this error is because you have entered an incorrect account name. So if you're going to try to enter your Gmail, for example here, if you're going to add at gmail.com, then it will also show you this error right here. Now to fix this problem, all you need to do is go to your File Explorer. So click on the File Explorer right here at the bottom. And basically you just need to open your Drive C. And then go to Program Files x86. And from here you will find your Steam folder. So once you click on your Steam folder right here, basically click on Config folder. Go to config.vdf file. And here you just need to open this one with the notepad, as you can see on your screen. Now to see your account name, all you need to do is press Ctrl F on your keyboard to show you this search box. And basically here you just need to type accounts, and you just have to click on the search icon right here, and then it will show you your username. So if you're going to Control C right here or copy this username, and then you're going to paste here on the sign in box, and basically it will now go to your Steam account. So that's it. That's how you basically fix that error on your Steam app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.